So we actually come into one of those houses in Sydney, as you can hear. This is the number 8 and that is number 10. So from the outside look, you probably can't see this is actually made from modular house. And from the outside, it's more like a customized building, and it looks very pretty, very nice. You can see the outside features, etc. Yeah.
The laundry, bathroom, and the kitchen. Yeah, it's all in one module. We ship it from China and deliver to here. Yeah, but because here the height is too high, the living room and the garage is too big, we can't do modular, and so that's why we decided to do it here. Yeah, for on-site view. But we also. Okay.
So I will show you because they are quite builders.
Yeah, but the next one we already tried to ship it from China as well. We So this has been done
so when you build
in the factory.
Yeah, when you need to build your house in city. So this is some things like.
So when we ship, we have a little bit like that.
Yes.
So when we hand over, we will do it here. We will do the final touch here.
Yep.
So at the downstairs there is one module,
yes.
And here we have three modules. This is one,
yes.
And this is one, and this is one. This is the obviously 2 and 3. So you can see.
Yep.
One house we use more than 20 metric tons of steel. Yeah, that's the strongest structure in the country.
Yeah.
Yeah, we use the structured steel and lightweight steel, but 70% structured steel. So and full insulation of the house. We have 2 layers for the roofing insulation, and all we use the Connect, the German brand,
yep.
And
Sounds fun.
yeah, and all the 2 board Connect, 12.5. Yeah, and also we have an insulation here as well.
So one of the things that we've transported the buildings in Brisbane, and what I noticed is when they do VJ lining on the insides, if it's the panels of VJ, then they can move a little bit easier without the fear of any sort of cracking from the plasterboard.
Yeah, well, the cracking is we're handling that one very good.
Yeah.
But we still need to do some final touch here. Yeah.
So the sections where they join.
Yes. All the windows are double gaze, commercial grade.
Okay.
Yeah, and we come with a curtain. This is our special curtain.
Wow, that's yes, the most advanced technology here, the curtain.
Yeah.
That's cool, hey Jay?
Yeah. And your certification when it gets to here for Queensland difficult here in New South Wales, it's a private certifier. It sounds like.
Yeah. We can work with. I think go through our channel. We can do for
Full certification.
For Queensland, no problem.
Yes.
So all the laws are. All the shutter line, like the harmony.
Yeah.
So Jonathan, you mentioned the whole installation for this particular house only take 1 day.
Installation, for assembly.
So the assembly is 1 day.
Yes.
But then the finish still has to be done.
Yeah.
So then you still have the
Altogether, we finish including OC 3 months.
3 months.